Hey you guys, today we're going to style this synthetic wig together, and I'm going to do a little bit of a different style than I normally do, so let's jump right into it. I put the information to this wig in the description of this video if you guys are interested, and thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Alright, so jumping into the construction, it does come with 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and this is a synthetic lace front wig. It has a wig strap as well, and the hair is full of these really beautiful curls. And I'm going to start off by tinting the lace, y'all. So this wig review did not go as planned. I started off by tinting the lace. I'm using this foundation. The info's in the description, and that went well. I did end up tinting it twice, which I'll talk to you guys about that later in this video. From there, I cut the lace, and I decided to pluck the hairline a bit because you guys are going to see it in a minute. In my opinion, it looked a little bit thick on me, so I just wanted it to give more of a pre-plucked look. I'm going to pull all the hair to the front just so I can see what I'm working with. So this one is kind of like at an angle. Let's see what we want to do with this. So basically what happened was I ended up over plucking before I knew it, and I had an entire bald spot. Now, but I wasn't able to conceal it to where I liked the way that the wig looked on me, so I decided to go ahead and create a bang look because I knew I was going to trim the wig anyway because I just like my curly wigs a little bit shorter. But yeah, after that bald spot incident, y'all, I was like, yeah, we're just going to go ahead and do bangs. So we dove into cutting bangs. I sectioned off an area in the front, and I basically just framed my face based on how the wig kind of already was cut. And here is the final result, y'all. Alright, you guys, here is the final look. I think it turned out so pretty, but I do need to let you guys know a couple things that I did do off camera to style this wig. So like I told you guys, I over plucked and I have like a little bald spot up in here, but that's okay because the Lord worked it out and my wig turned out beautiful. So I did go in and cut the bangs and style up the wig because I feel like it was just a little bit too long for my liking since the wig is kind of big. Like, it's still pretty big even though I cut a lot of the hair out. But I also did go in and retint the lace again. And then from there, I did actually glue this wig down, and I wasn't going to at first because I'm like, okay, the bangs are kind of covering it. Like, I guess I wouldn't need to glue it down. But I wanted the lace to lay better and to be concealed more because even though it has bangs, you can still kind of like see up in there. And I didn't want my lace being obvious and showing. So I did go ahead and glue that down. And I laid a little bit of those baby hairs. Of course, you can't really see it, but I think it's just going to help the lace blend a little bit better. So yeah, you guys, this is the final look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll put the information again to this wig and the products I used in the description and the comment section of this video. Bye!